Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing how I blow out my hair as well as get my silk press results. This has been a highly requested video, so I thought to just do an updated video. I did do one before, but I guess I wasn't as detailed. So I'm going to be very detailed in how I actually do my hair, but I do want you guys to be aware that all hair types are different. My hair type is different than your hair type, and so the results that I get, it's not assured that you're gonna get the exact same results, but I still just want to show you guys how I do my at-home blowout silk press, and maybe you can apply some of those techniques to how you blow out your hair, because I know some of you natural girls want to just start doing your own stuff, which I totally agree with. So before we jump into anything, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. I post regularly on Instagram, and as well I post weekly on YouTube, so you can also click the bell button just to be notified when I post something new. And I do want to inform you guys just a little bit more about my hair, just so that we know about it. So my hair is not permed, there are no chemicals in my hair. I did used to dye my hair in the past, like just black, and I did do a really terrible bleaching blonde type moment like 3 years ago, but I think my hair has recovered from that. But I've never in my life permed my hair, relaxed my hair, never. So this is just my natural hair, and right now it's just in a bun because I do this type of like mini treatment before I wash my hair, and I will be going through all of those items right now. But first, I also wanted to put you guys on quickly to what I've been using on my skin recently. My skin has just been doing so well. It's just not oily. I've had this moisturizer on all day, as well as I've been using it every single day. It is a two-step treatment for daytime and nighttime, and it's very affordable. I'll be linking it below. It's called Yours, and I really just want to put you guys on because I have been using this for like 3 weeks now, and my skin is so soft and so non-oily. I'll be leaving that link below in my description box. Okay, so first we're gonna talk about the treatment that I do to my hair before I actually wash. You can do this treatment the night before, which I don't do anymore because it keeps my like headscarf oily and it keeps my pillow oily, so I just don't do that anymore. So what I do is I use this treatment before, like maybe 15 to 20 minutes before I'm actually gonna wash my hair. So I have a really dry scalp. This probably is not going to assist in any way for like the blowout, but I want to give you guys a detailed description of exactly what I do. So I do use this sulfur 8 medicated original formula anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. This is the first thing that I do before I wash my hair. I just part my hair and I just, you know, put it in each section. Like my scalp is extraordinarily dry, so I have to do that. Then after that, so I just dip into this is this Super Grow amazing hair and scalp treatment discovery. It's supposed to help grow your hair, and this is with vitamin E. By the way, I picked up all of this stuff from my beauty supply store back in New York, but I'm sure you can find this anywhere. I'll of course be leaving links below, but I put that in the back of my hair. So I just take it, rub it in my fingers, and then just like massage it in the back like that, as well as I put that all over my hair. So on top of my hair, at the ends of my hair, that's what I do with that. And while I'm on my hair, like moisturizing my hair, I do use this Sultana Bergamot Coconut and Sesame Hair Mask Oil. So I also put this all throughout my hair, not so much in my scalp, but really on the hair. And then lastly, I also use this Ultra Grow Basil and Castor Oil hair growth oil, and this is from Different Feel. So I also picked this up, and I actually emptied that container in an old Sultana bottle that I had. So it's actually in here. I just open it, use the dropper, and I also just put that in between my hair, like on my scalp, and then at the end, after everything, I just massage everything in, and that is like my pre-treatment before I wash my hair. Not saying that you guys have to do all of that. You can maybe pick 1 or 2 things, try it out, but that's what I do. So after I've waited my 15-20 minutes, it's time for me to wash my hair. I only use 3 products. I more or less am always like that. I know some people use a lot more like stuff, but I just can't be bothered. So for shampoo and conditioner, I'm using Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Luscious Moisture Shampoo and Luscious Moisture Conditioner. They are both in black vanilla vanilla. Use for my deep conditioning treatment, I use Aveda. I always use Aveda. I would 100% recommend Aveda to you guys if you have damaged hair, which I did. Damage remedy, and I always deep condition. So right now I'm just gonna go to wash my hair. I feel like you guys have seen me wash my hair multiple times, and I think it's very self-explanatory how you should wash your hair, so I won't show you guys that. So guys, hair is now washed, and I just put on this microfiber towel. So this towel is really good for your hair. It doesn't like rip out any pieces or anything. It's very gentle. I always feel like a baby when I have this on. These days I'm just using 2 products on my hair. I like to take Carol's Daughter Anti-Breakage and Anti-Frizz leave-in conditioner. I always use a leave-in conditioner. And just massage that in. And then lastly, I just take a heat protecting styling cream. This is from IC Fantasia, I think. It's a hair polisher and heat protecting styling cream, and it shines and protects. And that's how my hair is looking. So guys, we are now in the bathroom. I'm just gonna show you how I just air dry it, and then we can get right into blow drying my hair. So now I'm just gonna take my hair, part it in 2. Just gonna take a little piece out from this first part. I use these jumbo clips just to hold the piece that I'm not about to blow dry. And normally I do big chunky pieces, like you don't need to take, for me anyways, I don't need to take like little microscopic pieces of hair. So here is the little piece that I took. I take my big brush, just gonna comb that out. And guys, I have been going to the Dominican salon since I was in high school, so that's like 10 years now. So I kind of picked up the art to blow dry my own hair from going to them and seeing how they blow dry my hair. Like I used to be crazy. I used to go like every 4 days. It was just 25 bucks and I would get the best blowout of my life. So I've been going to Dominicans, watching them for years. So that's kind of how I had the courage to even start doing my own hair, because I kind of already knew how to blow it out like the Dominicans would do it. So I'm going to be using this like blow dry brush. I take the brush, I put it on the root of my hair like this, and I am applying pressure. You need to apply pressure onto the hair. Like if you guys can see, I'm pulling very, very hard. You can already see the hair is straightening from how hard I'm pulling. So that's how the Dominicans used to do my hair. They used to like almost rip my head off basically. So I do the same thing. Put it at the root, pull very, very hard, take the blow dryer, I'm gonna put it on high and then just run through. So just to give you guys a little update, so I just held it, ran it through, and it's already getting straight, as you can see. I don't like to stay too long at the root because it hurts. So as soon as I feel like up here is straight enough, what I do now is I take the brush and I kind of curl it behind my head like this, and then I hold it like this now, and then I go down like that. Let me just show you guys. And then lastly, when I'm still holding the brush like this and I feel like everything's more or less straight, I like to kind of keep rolling it like this while applying heat to it. So I'll show you guys that. So that is just that first little piece done. It's not as straight, you know, it's just a blow dry result. So but this is good. The way that my hair feels right now is very light, and yeah. So I'm just gonna do the other side for you, and then I will just skip through to the finished head. My hair is now completely blow dried. That took about 10 minutes, so it normally does not take me much longer than that. And now we're just gonna start up the flat iron so that we can start flat ironing my hair and trying to get that like silk press look. Before we do start flat iron, I forgot to mention this because I know someone is gonna say, why don't you just keep your hair curly all the time? I would love to, but it's just a lot of work, and I prefer like during the winter months to keep my hair straight, and then sometimes in the summer, because it's a lot more warmer, to go curly. But honestly, like managing my hair every single day when it's curly is so much work. I was in that natural phase like a long time ago, but to get the results that I wanted to, I had to do Bantu knots like every single night. One, it gave me a headache, and it was just too much. So the flat iron that I'm using is the Babyliss Paris. This is the Slim 28mm Intense Protect, and it goes up to 235 degrees Celsius, but I keep it on 220 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so my hair is officially finished. Let me just comb it out a little bit. I do need to add some oil to it, but before I do, I wanted to mention one thing. So this is more or less my silk press, and I know that some people, like salons, they do silk press with like wrapping it in the plastic foil, but I don't do that. I tried and tested it. I did that before and I got the same result as it is now, so I was like, I can just skip that step completely. Let me just give you guys a close-up. I was a bit too long on this piece of the hair, but you guys can see this is my hair. So the last step in my hair care routine is that I would put on a hair oil, and I'm using the Nexus Clean and Pure Invisible Hair Oil. This is it. Oh, but I always put in a hair oil, not too much though, like maybe 2 squirts like that. And it smells so good and so clean. And I like that it does not weigh down my hair. So I just run it through like this and then just a bit like that, just to get my dry scalp shiny now. It's just smelling good. Everything is just good. So that's basically my routine, and how I would maintain my hair for an entire week is every single night I wrap my hair. And normally on Sundays when I do wash my hair, after I put in the hair oil, my hair goes straight into a wrap. And you guys know when I go out, I'm curling my hair, so my hair even looks a little bit different, but that's for a whole other video. Yeah, this is the end result. If you have any other questions, please leave it down in the comment section. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe, and I as well hope that you guys enjoyed this routine. It is highly requested, and I really hope that I answered some of you guys' questions, and hopefully I helped you guys in some way or another.